One thing you may want to do with your Cinema 4D stuff is to actually take your stuff from Illustrator and then bring it into Cinema 4D, because that will just make life that little bit easier. So we're in Illustrator. I'm just going to create a new document quickly, and I'm just going to do something real quick. Let's remove the stroke on this and come back down, just make a little curve, bangity bang, and then escape that curve, bangity bang, sorry, like so. And then like what you then do is that you go down to objects and then like blend options, specified steps, we'll say 8's cool, and then command option B, and then there you see you've got a little something. Now for this to be able to work in Cinema 4D, what you have to do is you have to save it. As simple as that. Let's call you Untitled 2, whatever. But this is where things get a bit tricky. You have to actually do something, and that's click Illustrator 8. But that's as tricky as it gets. And then you save that, okay, blah blah blah, etc. And then hold on, do the wrong direction. And then you simply just do that. Bang, we'll talk to you about this and that, but there you can see it's worked-ish. But the beauty is, you know, if it was a more simple shape, then it would have worked. Perfectly. But I had to be a bit dodgy about things. And then simply that's all there is to it. So basically, we've taken an Illustrator document and then we've brought it into Cinema 4D. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of depth to this. I'm gonna create a sweep NURBS, little circles, the circles in the sweep NURBS. Make it a smaller circle. Bang. And then it hasn't worked because these are all in different scenes. So we just do this, connect objects and delete. And then if you zoom in close, you can see that we've now got a little twiggy thing. You can make this some sort of modern art kind of gate kind of thing. So yeah, I think I think we're done here. So so basically what we've done in this tutorial is we've taken an Illustrator document and we opened it up and in Cinema 4D ready for use. And that's all there is to it really. In the next tutorial for Cinema 4D anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to sort of, not correctly, but because there is no way of doing the inverse. When I was doing my design coursework, I was basically had to do a orthographic drawing. However, you can't actually do that in Cinema 4D. So what I thought is, well, if you can AI to Cinema 4D, then surely you can Cinema 4D to AI. It's not that simple. And in the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can go about doing it. As for getting the desired effect that you want, it may not be as high a quality that you want, but it still gets the job done. As for these quick succession of tutorials, I think we're finished here. Thank you very much for watching. As usual, comment, rate, subscribe, etc. And thank you very much.